So let's go over some more complicated details of what's in a task. So not every task is as simple as hello world. Sometimes you'll need more. Like maybe you need some actual software that's not on your machine. Because like I said, a task defines all the information necessary to perform an action, and part of that is the actual software or runtime environment that you need. So in the runtime block, you can define the context or environment that you need to run your task. This includes things like Docker containers or compute resource requirements. That could be things like CPU, disk, memory, etc. And if you're actually running your WDL script on, say, a platform that you can launch descriptors from Dockstore to, these actual runtime requirements will be used to provision instances, cloud instances at the task level, and configure those instances with how much disk, CPU, memory, etc.